I've been obsessed with this idea lately, and it's blowing my mind. Imagine taking something huge, like $1 million building, and breaking it into 1 million tiny digital pieces. That's tokenization. It's like, turning real stuff into computer code that you can buy and sell. Crazy, right? So here's how it works. You've got this big, expensive thing. Could be a fancy painting, a chunk of gold, or yeah, a whole building. Now, instead of only rich people being able to own it, you split it up. Each little piece becomes a digital token on this thing called a blockchain. It's like a super secure digital ledger that keeps track of who owns what. And you know what? These tokens are just one type of digital asset. There's a whole world out there. Cryptocurrencies, stablecoins, NFTs, even government digital money. Now here's where it gets wild. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can buy these tokens. You want to own a tiny slice of a skyscraper? $10 could do it. And you can trade these tokens 24/7 from anywhere in the world. It's making the finance world lose its mind because suddenly, regular people can invest in stuff that used to be off limits. But, and this is important, it's not all smooth sailing. There are still big questions about rules, safety, and yeah, the whole thing can be pretty risky. But man, the potential here, it's huge. Tokenization is revolutionizing finance, making investment accessible to everyone, and reshaping how we think about ownership in the digital age.